So according to my study po, yung majority po that is the financial struggle daw po. Financial struggle.
Oo. What do you mean by financial struggle?
Struggle po.
Ha? Walang pera. Financial
Struggle.
struggle. Anong ibig sabihin ng struggle? Akala ko status.
Lack of support po.
Yun ang tinatanungin ko sana. Kasi one of the main findings, awaited main, yung family factors, yung lack of support is 3.14, medyo mataas na yun.
Opo.
Bakit? Ano ibig sabihin ng lack of support?
Sa family factors po in terms of lack of support, like mental support po ng families, or encouragement to pursue their studies, or to attend school regularly po.
Hindi sinusuporta ng parents, gano'n.
Opo.
So, as a student, ano bang dapat gawin namin mga parents kung ayun ang attitude namin?
So, as a student po, dapat po ini-encourage, first of all, sa house po natin, yung nag-encourage po mismo is yung parents, yung nagsusupport po mentally, physically, and yung mga needs na dapat i-provide nila for their children.
Lahat,
Opo.
including mobile phone, etc. etc.
Opo. And depends naman po sa parents.
Kung mayaman,
If afford po nila.
Okay. Another thing that I was interested about, responsibilities in household chores, no? Ano ba ibig sabihin doon?
Suggest po yung responsibilities. Before po pupunta sa school, we have different household chores na need mo na po ma-accomplish. Especially those, halimbawa po sa mga students, which is marami yung kapatid, need muna po nilang i-help yung parents nila when preparing their siblings. Halimbawa po is nagsuschool na rin po mapasok.
Okay. Last questions, no? Weather factor is also one of the major causes. Kung ikaw ang tatanungin, anong gagawin mo para yung weather condition hindi na maka-apekto sa attendance?
Well,
Makikusap ba sa taas?
hindi naman po kasi yung nakakontrol. So, when in terms po sa weather condition, need po siguro ng support from, syempre po, yung mga needs, yung essentials ng mga students, like umbrellas, o kaya po mga coats, para po at least ma-prevent yung absenteeism sa school. If meron po sila ng mga essentials na yon, they can use it para po at least pumasok or to attend class regularly. It depends na rin po talaga siya sa students if they wanted to attend the class.
Okay, thank you very much. And I also recommend that this the finding of the study be known by those concerned, especially the parents.
Yes po, thank you.
Did you look into the policy of the school on absences of the students?
Not yet po.
Hindi mo kinonsider. Pero ano ang experience mo? Are there students who failed because of the accrued o yung naipon nilang mga absences?
In my own perspective po, maybe po. Kasi kapag yung attendance po kasi is a major factors when it comes sa studying po natin. Kasi if yung presence po ng student is wala naman, how come po mag-come up yung teacher ng results or ng grades for them na nagre-result po sa dropouts?
Okay, yung dropout ang
Opo.
minimin ko, kahit hindi natin i-consider yung academic performance na. Are students being dropped?
Sometimes po, pero meron naman pong considerations such as binibigyan po ng mga teachers ng time yung students na may i-accomplish man lang or may i-pass para po at least mabigyan siya ng grades.
When did you undertake to study?
Since this grade po,
Kailan mo to?
this September po, opo, last year po.
But being a student of that school for Have you observed that this has been happening ever since you were in junior high school, ganyan?
Yes po. Based po sa mga former student ko ng school. And this po, this grade level po, grade 12 po kasi, as I observed, kaya po nag-come up ko yung study nito is, as a grade 12 students, yung co-grade level ko po, ayun po yung na-observe ko sa kanila.
Do you know of any program of the school that will address this problem?
First of all po, pwede po ipatawag ng
No. Is there an existing program in the school that is intended to address this problem on the absences of yung habitual absences of students?
Wala po.
Wala sa pagkakaalam mo. So even if matagal na itong nangyayari.
Opo.
And parang ikaw ang magtusod ng problema.
I guess po.
Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Ako, konti lang naman. For the indicators kasi you have included, ang napansin ko sa mga factors, merong negative, merong positive.
Opo.
Oo. So, paano mo siya ma-determine kung magkaiba? No? So, dapat ang nakalagay sa indicators mo, kung positive, positive lahat. Kasi you cannot compare two opposites. So, yun lang. And dapat na-support mo din yung sinasabi nga ni Dean Edith na based on the history of the school. Kaya para ma-highlight na talagang problema ng school ang absenteeism. And yung ibang factors na nakalagay mo dito, yung ibang indicators sa different factors, yung iba is not mostly on absenteeism but I think on tardiness. So, ano ba talaga to? Sa tardiness ba o sa absenteeism lang?
Ano po, for me po, sa absenteeism, pero meron po siyang connection din sa tardiness.
Okay. So, yun lang naman. And I hope with your study, meron talagang policy na madraft or magawa, mag-implement to ensure din na yung mga estudyante ay magko-comply doon sa requirements na para graduate at pumasa, kailangan mag-attend sila regularly ng classes.
Opo.
Thank you, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Thank you sa Basua National High School. Thank you, Kyle.